Hello friends, in this video you will see how calculations can be performed on variables, and by the end of this video you will be able to create complex expressions by using operators. Operators basically are used to perform operations on variables and values, also known as operands. For example, if you write this statement x plus y, here x and y are the operands and plus is the operator. For example, variable x which will store value 10 and variable y which will store value 20. Using print statement, you can display the output by using plus operator, which will adds x and y and gives you the result 30. Just run the file. So here is your answer 30. You can also use more than one operator like this x plus y minus 2, and a sequence of operands and operators like x plus y minus 2 is called an expression. So here is your expression. So you can see your result 28. Python supports many operators. Let's discuss one by one. First one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator which performs common mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiply, division, remainder, exponent value and floor division, which performs operations on the numeric operands as we had discussed in our previous video, like plus, minus, multiply, division, floor division, which will calculate quotient, remainder or modulus and exponent value. So these special symbols are operators which perform some arithmetic calculations upon operands. And this topic we had already covered in our previous video. So now we will discuss about assignment operator. Next is assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign some values to variables. For example, when you assign some value x equals to 2, it means equal is the assignment operator. It means variable x will store value 2, or we can say here the value 2 is assigned to variable x. When you use print x, so it will display the result or fetch the value from variable x and display the result 2. You can assign some other operators also, like for assign addition you can use x plus equals to 2 is same as x equals to x plus 2. So you can use this statement in this form, x plus equals to 2. It means x equals to x plus 2. So when you run this file, so see your result 12. The value of x is 10 and 10 plus 2 equals to 12, and update the value and store it in variable x 12. In the same manner, you can use division, you can assign multiply, you can assign floor division, you can assign exponent value like this. So the value of x is 10, and when we use this statement, it means x equals to x exponent 2. That is 100. The value of x is 10, and 10 to the power 2 is 100. So that's all about arithmetic operator and assignment operators. In the next video, we will discuss some more operators. Thank you for watching this video.